Let's make fragrant corn pulav. Start by heating oil and adding cumin seeds, cinnamon and cloves. Add star anise, green chili, chopped onion and capsicum. Add the corn kernels and mix everything well. Add red chili powder and garam masala for flavor. Use pre-soaked basmati rice that's been drained. Add the rice along with salt and pepper. Add water, ghee and fresh cilantro. Pressure cook for 2 whistles. Let the pressure release naturally. Your aromatic corn pulav is ready to enjoy. Please like, share and subscribe to P. Bhatt's Kitchen. Take care.